Namaste everybody, myself Asis bring another video for today with top 10 trading terms you must know in stock market. So let's begin. Before investing, it is important to conduct the research and development and understanding of the certain basic concept when the learning the basic about the stock trading. There are the few essential terms to know and as they are follows. So let's start with equity. Equity in stock market refer a amount of the share owned of company, and as an investor, when you buy the share of the company, you buy an equivalent degree of ownership in the company. The stock market is where this company's share are bought and sold one investor to another. The word of stock is the synonymous with the word of equity. Number two is ask or offer. The ask price and offer refer as the lowest amount of the money that the sellers of the stock is willing to accept for the share of that stock. Number three is the bid. Bid is refer to a highest amount of the money that the potential buyer of the stock is willing to pay a share of that stock. If there are the multiple buyer for the stock, a bid taken between the buyers and when one buyer placed a bid that other buyer cannot or do not wish to match. Number 4, it's a spread. Spread is always the difference between the price that is the seller asks for an object and the price that buyer is willing to pay for it. In the stock market, there is a difference between the bid and ask price, with the bid generally being lower and ask price. This is the difference is known as the ask bid spread or spread, which is primarily determined by the demand and supply. Number 5 is exchange. An exchange the refer to a place where the electronics market the various security traded that one of the many stock exchange in the country or worldwide where the share of the stock bought and sold. The existing exchange in the country National Stock Exchange NSE and the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE. Number 6 is a broker. To trade in the stock, an investor needs an intermediary to connect to the exchange, known as a stockbroker. They do not own the security, but the purchase or sells stocks on behalf of the investor in the exchange of the small commissions. Number 7 is the bull market or bear market. There is a two terms are the indicator of the current trend of the stock market is experiencing and given time. The bull market refer to a period in which the price of the stock are increasing and therefore the market is an upward trend. A bear market refer to a period in where the price of the stock falling and thereafter the market is on downward trend. Number 8 is trading account. Today, the stock market has become electronics and thus the traders are required to open an online trading account with their registered broker to execute their trade electronically. All the order to buy or sell to take place through this trading account. Number 9 is the volatility. Volatility refer to a rate of price fluctuations of share. The highly volatile stock experiencing the daily up and down movement in its price. Some traders profit of the risk involved in the highly volatile stock, where the others prefer to investing in the less volatile stock for the long run. Number 10 is the yield. Yield is essentially referred to a return of the investment on the stock is expressed in the terms of the percentage. With these basic stock trading terms, you can bring your journey into the stock market investing. With this considerable potential the stock market offers, all it's time to research some preparations, opening a demat account, trading account and reliable brokerage like Zerodha to start investing with. With this, I'm Ashish closing out the today's sessions. More such video, please do subscribe our channel. Also, this video is purely made for the educational purpose. There is no recommendations for the stock buying or selling. Do your own research. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. With this, I am Ashish. Thank you very much.